going today my work. And from the city hall I'm going towards all the way south. How much snow it's here. Hello everyone, it's 22nd February, Tuesday 2022, and the time right now is 11:45 a.m. and the temperature is minus 25 degrees Celsius, but it feels like minus 31 degrees Celsius. And just 2 days ago there is a snowstorm in Calgary. So in this video I'm going to show you guys in this how we travel and how we go for our daily life from midtown to downtown or suburb to downtown. And let's go. So the storm is not that bad like the previous years, but still it's not that lot of snow, but we have some snow. And again the extreme cold. So I'm going today my work, and in this video I'm going to show you guys like how we go for work every day during the winter time, from like the midtown to downtown, or like the suburb area to downtown. So I live in southeast and I'm going for my work the another part of the southeast, but there is two ways. I can take buses or I go downtown, then I take C train. I will go downtown via Max Purple, and then I will take C train. It's easier because there is another route that shows in the Google map. I have to take 2 or 3 buses, so I don't want to stand outside for the buses. So another thing you can see in my neighborhood, there is a plug-in car. The car is plugged now because outside is very cold. So the car engine, the block heater sorry, I couldn't talk much because of the cold. This block heater makes the car engine warm. So the pretty much car is covered by snow. And I'm really very sorry I couldn't upload that much video last 1 week because I was really very busy, and for my work I have to fill up every day for the COVID form that I don't have any symptoms. So yeah, that's why I have to be careful about my health. That's why I couldn't upload that much video, but after this extreme cold, again I will try to upload my videos regularly. Maybe I couldn't upload video regularly during this extreme cold weather. So yeah, from the 1st March, even though everything is taking down all the restriction, I don't know what about the workplace. So they still ask every day to fill up and the test. This neighborhood is pretty new. It's not like that much new, but pretty new. And that side has a East Hills. It's a pretty new neighborhood in Southeast. I will show you my another video, the East Hills neighborhood. It's pretty new actually. The house and townhouses are just building, and the others, one side is all the housing and the other side is a big plaza where you can find everything, like everything. I will show in my other video, and you can see on that side is all empty places, is government place, and there is another popular park, which is Elliston Park. I like this area, and the plus point is I can take the Max Purple super service from here, so it will take 20 to 25 minutes from here to downtown. And the neighborhood is very, very good. So yeah, maybe my bus will come any moment. It shows 5 minutes. My bus is here, the Max Purple. And can I get one transfer, please? Thank you. Going towards downtown. It will take 20 to 25 minutes, and then I will show you next. Just get down at the Central Library Station, and I will take the C train from the City Hall. Take the C train, I will walk a little bit in the downtown, then I'll take the C train. I just want to show you guys like how the downtown street during this extreme weather. This good thing is sunny today. blue sky and look at the smoke as coming out from the bow tower. So in the City Hall station, you can see all the sea train shelter. Most of them, they have the heating. So even though it's cold, so you don't need to worry.
The next Town train will arrive in 5 minutes.
So, and one more thing. So where is... So yeah, there is a little bit time, so I can show some. So you can see there is a plus 15 network, so you can start if you are work near City Hall, so you can take the plus 15 instead of the roadside. So here is the City of Calgary gate. So you can see the heater is on here, the shelter. Normally, like, you can see a lot of people in the C train station, but other area of the Calgary downtown during this extreme cold weather, you won't be able to see that much people, because pretty much most of the people are taking plus 15s to avoid the cold. There is another plus 15 network, so you can take the plus 15. This looks so nice, and believe me guys, I just came here like walking on the downtown after 1 week. Last time when I was here, there is no snow at all. So now you can see how much snow it's here. Olympic Plaza, it's full of snow. So I will try to make another video in the plus 15 very soon. They put in a fence here. I don't know why. Maybe because there is a construction going on. snow. The street. So yeah, it's lots of snow. People are waiting for the bus here. So you can see, like, if I drive, it will take only 20 to 25 minutes to my work. But today I don't drive. That it will take 1 hour 20 minutes to arrive at my work. So that's why I always recommend you guys, whoever new in Calgary, so whoever planning to move, try to find a apartment or house near C train line or in the downtown. So in the winter you don't have to worry, because Calgary winter is pretty harsh. So it's plus positive 10 is two days ago, but now it's minus 30. So it's a crazy weather. So that's why I always advise you guys, whoever messages me, I try to always advise you that either you have to live near C train line or you can live near downtown. So it will easy for you to make the transportation, because if you are moving from other country, so you will not get the driving license right away. So if you are moving from the other province, so you will get the license like within 1 month. So if you have car, so you don't have to worry about it. And I'm going back to the City Hall station. It's cold. So the 6th Avenue and McLeod Trail, the intersection, and I can cross the street from here. the card here. Now I'm at the City Hall C train station. So here is the map of the C train. Right now I'm at here, and from the City Hall I'm going towards all the way south east. It's Somerset Bridlewood. Shows here Somerset is in 9 minutes. Pretty much all the shelter is full, otherwise I have to enter the shelter or I can stand inside the building. It's better. There is no cold. So my train is here, C train.
This train is Somerset Bridlewood.
destination. It was almost 1 hour total from my home to my work. So hope you guys like it, and take care, stay safe, and have a good night.